Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the Black+Decker microwave. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Black+Decker microwave and are wondering how to actually go ahead and open it. So the way this actually works is once you go ahead and start the microwave, it actually goes ahead and locks up. So we're going to give it a couple of seconds for this to go ahead and finish. And so let's go ahead and cancel it. And then what you're going to notice is that it says lock. So in order to open it, you're just going to click this button here that says door open, and then you'll be able to go ahead and open your microwave. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and open your Black+Decker microwave. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.